Hello friends, in our previous video we have seen what is a metric space, and now we are going to solve an example of metric space. Now suppose our example is distance between xy is defined as mod of x minus y upon 1 plus mod of x minus y, and we have to show that D is a metric space where D is defined as D from R cross R to R. So let's get started. The first property is distance between xy is always greater than equal to 0. Since we know that mod represents always a positive quantity, so mod of x minus y is always a positive quantity. That implies mod of x minus y is always greater than or equal to 0 since it is positive. Now if distance between xy is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, then mod of x minus y upon 1 plus mod of x minus y is equals to 0. That implies mod of x minus y is equals to 0, right? That implies x minus y is equal to 0. That implies x is equals to y, and this is what we have to show in first property. So our first property is completed. Now the second property. Distance between xy is equal to distance between yx. Okay. So you can see it as distance. Suppose if there is a point A and a point B, if a person travels from A to B and the distance is 2 kilometers, then if the same person starts or another person starts from B to A, he or she will have to travel same 2 kilometers. So distance is unaffected by their order. So we'll prove it. So distance between xy is what? It is mod of x minus y upon 1 plus mod of x minus y, which is equal to what we can write? Minus sign common लेंगे, y minus x, since it is mod 1 plus mod of minus y minus x. Since it is mod, so minus sign becomes positive. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? y minus x 1 plus mod of y minus x, which is equals to distance between y minus x. We started from distance between xy and at the end we get which is equal to distance between yx. This is the second property. So we have showed the second property. Now the third property is distance between xy is always less than equal to distance between xz plus distance between zy. This is called triangular property. Now we'll show it. We'll prove it. So distance between x and y is equal to mod of x minus y upon 1 plus mod of x minus y. So what we can write it? Distance between, it can be written as x minus z plus z minus y. Yeah, more or less it is nothing but distance, it is mod of x minus y. And similarly we can write in denominator x minus z plus z minus y. ये क्या हो जाएगा? फिर हम इसे अलग करेंगे. किस प्रॉपर्टी से? हमें पता है mod of x plus y is always less than equal to mod of x plus mod of y. By using this property, what we will get? X minus z mod upon 1 plus x minus z plus z minus y. It is less than or equal. It is like that, okay? And z minus y. इसे क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 1 plus x minus z plus z minus y plus of z minus y upon 1 plus x minus z plus z minus y. अब which is now see, if we have 3 upon 1 plus 3 plus 2, okay, just suppose, okay, then it is always less than what? 3 upon 1 plus 3. It is always, greater than, I'm so sorry, it is always greater than this. Since denominator यहाँ पर बड़ा है तो the whole quantity becomes smaller. Here denominator is small, so the quantity become comparatively greater than this quantity. So similarly we are going to do here. Now if suppose one situation may also arise, if this instead of 2 we take 0, so it will become equal to, okay, so now we are going to use this thing. So what this will become is x minus z का mod upon 1 plus x minus z. It is always greater than or equal to that, okay, plus similarly distance mod of x z minus y upon 1 plus mod of z minus y. Here is minus 1. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Which is less than equal to distance between x z plus distance between z y. We started from distance between x and y, and what we get? It is always less than equal to distance between x and z plus distance between z and y. So we showed all the three properties, hence this D is a sin, therefore X is a metric space.